This is probably my favorite project for a long time.
It's gonna be hard to top this.
I know.
It's gonna be hard to top this.
I know.
But now you got a new bar.
I know.
You got a new bar.
Definitely. Historic Lincoln Hotel, built in 1955 by a black doctor by the name of Aristotle Chapman. Dr. Aristotle Chapman.
Dr. Chapman?
Yep. This was the premier luxury black hotel in Baton Rouge. Not to be confused with Valley House, which is across the street. That's actually another one of our projects that we're working on right now. But topic of discussion is Hotel Lincoln. Hotel Lincoln has been vacant since I think it was 1985. This was a premier hotel during pretty much the segregation era. All of the black celebrities like James Brown, Aretha Franklin, just name a few, all when they traveled and performed, they came here. So they would perform at more of like the Lincoln Theater across the street from the office. And other children's circuits around here, and they would stay here. This was it's really like a top of the line hotel. This was
luxury.
One of the main hotels that had AC inside, HVAC inside, built in. So yeah, man. I mean, really, it appeared in the Green Book in 1955. This is one of those ones. This really means a lot to me just to be able to be a part of it and play a small part just to bring it back to life.
Yeah, that's legit,
bro. Yeah, like this is like this is probably the one I'm looking most forward to. We can check it out. Right now, we are in the process of getting it cleaned up. The lead and asbestos cleaned up in the final stages. So yeah, I mean, let's check it out. How do you feel about it? You have any questions?
Nah, I just want to see it, bro. I just feel like it's dope to see, put your fingerprints on it, bro. Like to me, that's just fucking hard.
Yeah, like this is like, I feel like this is one of the things like you tell your children about.
For real.
Just to be able to bring it back. Yeah, man. Let's watch it. Yeah, so we're out here in the building. Let's walk around and have a check out of the status. So right now, what we are doing, what the stages have been, I've been working with Leslie and the South Central Planning Development Commission of Louisiana, really just to get it cleaned up. So I started I've been working with them and been doing the abatement, asbestos and lead cleanup. So we've been having that cleaned up. That's why it looks really good on the floor. This was not like this before this month. Yeah, man. So I've been working with Golf Services for the actual abatement cleanup, and with Lenora of Caldwell Environmental for the actual air quality to monitor and make sure everything is good in here, getting cleaned up. It's been a learning experience. This is my first commercial project. Man, and just being in here, you can just like feel the history. This used to be, like I said, the premier luxury hotel for black elite, and really just black all around, just because they weren't allowed to go to white establishments and different hotels. I mean, this was 46 rooms, so it was a pretty big. 46 rooms up top and a level of open share space at the bottom.
So what kind of? So I know this was like elite. You said where all the rooms. I could tell this is a smaller room. So how did they Did they change based on the floor?
No. So pretty much as above, so below. It's pretty much the same floor plan.
Okay.
So three floors, same style.
Got it.
And they share the bathroom.
Okay. I mean, this is dope. Yeah, this is dope. Man, can you think about the crazy parties that was up in this hotel at one point?
Bruh. Just being, I've been doing research on it. It's been, this used to be the go-to spot. They used to, perform at Lincoln Theater. They'll come here, you know what I mean? They had, a ballroom at the first level.
Yo, we gotta go check out the ballroom. Can we get to it?
Nah, we can. Yeah. Bro, it looks really good.
Yeah, they cleaned up pretty good in here. I mean, y'all still got a lot of work to do, but
No, so
This look, I mean, they did their thing.
yeah. So pretty much what's been going on is like I mentioned, I've been working with the city. We qualified for a grant to get the lead and asbestos cleaned up. So I've started that process. Now I will say it's kind of clean right now, but in order for us to move to the next phase and get construction bids, what we're gonna have to do is pretty much dirty it back up, knock down these drywall walls, just so we can get a more accurate bid and don't have change orders. So for this, we'll be playing the role of developer, so more of like the residential projects where we've been the developer/investor and construction. But this is more of like a real development commercial project, so we'll stay in a development role. And I say we, I mean Kimball Properties. I'll be on the management side of the developer, Anthony Kimball, and for our construction side, we're still taking bids right now. So the goal is first quarter of 2023.
2023.
So we're narrowing down our bids on contractors, getting that done because across the street we still have the Valley House project. That'll follow sometime in 2023. But the main thing to start is hotel thinking in 2023. Yeah, man, I feel good about it, bro. Like,
How long y'all think the start to finish is this project gonna take? What's the estimate?
The goal is supposed to be a year.
A year, okay. So we looking at top of 2024?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a 1-year project.
Word. Yeah, that's gonna be legit. You walking through history right now, boy.
No, like, for real, like, you feel that? That's your ancestors calling, bro.
Man, I felt like a little tap on my shoulder. I was like, yo, hold on. We ain't ready yet.
Hold on. Nah, like,
They say you looking out.
yeah. Let's get it cleaned up,
Man, I'm just like when we walk through the halls, it's gonna sound weird, but like I keep picturing people wearing like them old school clothes from back in the day with the high socks with the skirt.
With the fro?
Yeah, with the fro.
Like, what?
Running around,
This is it, bro.
suited and booted.
Yeah, what? This is like, this, like you said, this is real history, man. Nah, they can clean it up.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get my reading on and read up on it.
Yeah, bro. Like I said, I've been researching it. What was his name? Dr. Aristotle Chapman was the builder and owner of this black person. This was a black hotel. Honestly, bro, I feel like this is gonna give like just like the community there's a lot of hope. Just because like it's just been so many times like people saying, "Oh, tear it down," or it'll never be rehab, it'll never be brought back.
Right.
You know what I mean? Just to be a part of, the team to bring that back. I feel good about it. And I feel like just hearing the stories from like the older folk who passed by, or you know what I'm saying, or just really researching and seeing how impactful it was for the South Baton Rouge community. Man, bro, I'm just happy I could be able to be a part of something so black and excellent. You know what I mean?
Yeah, facts.
To bring it back.
Shoot, I'm just glad I could see it, bro. Like, it's hearing you say, yeah, this is what we did. This is what it is over there, as opposed to like, hey, yeah, come check out the hotel. Like,
Yeah.
you see, this is crazy. Like I said, when we was walking through the hallways, it's like I low key like in my head envision them running through the halls, like you're seeing the dress, the style from back in the day.
Yeah. Now the first level was kind of dark. I don't want to go out there.
It's up to you. Yeah, look, we can go. I mean, we just might as well be in here.
I know, right?
I can see me getting lost in here.
I came here with London. I don't know how he ended up like at the bottom and I was here, bro. I don't even know, bro. I definitely lost him.
That's hilarious.
But cause I did an interview with my boss on the roof I thought that was pretty cool, but I'm not even calling that roof. That roof is not even solid.
Dang.
Oh, let me see. We might gotta go through.
All right, turn around.
If we can.
You turn.
And they have the elevator in here.
We in the basement.
So yeah, man, pretty much the goal for it is 12 residential units at the top, and 1 to 2 retail base at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I mean, if you're into construction or your construction business, you can start sending over bids. We're taking them right now. Yeah, man.
Where y'all posting? Like, how do they find out?
They can also email me directly.
Mm-hmm.
My email is in the description. Email me directly. You can always stop by the office, Legacy, on 14th Street. Drop off a bid package. I can also put the link to the website where I have the plans that you can review as well in the description. Yeah, man. I mean, bro, just not saying that's about it, but like. I mean, this thing is like
This
real
is
deal.
yeah. This
Definitely
is
learned a lot so far.
what is this? Alright, this used to be a kitchen, huh?
I'm assuming this used to be a kitchen.
Yeah, it looked like it had to be a kitchen because I can tell the tile just switched from when we was in the. That was the atrium, huh? Or what was this room we just walked through? This big room. That was like a theater or something.
No, because remember they used to have a.
Oh, that must have been a dining
ballroom
hall,
kind of.
ballroom, dining hall type deal. Okay, and this was that's the kitchen because there go the window.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so they was eating in here. Okay. You know what you gotta do? You gotta go hunt around for old pictures from back when this was like live.
I'm thinking like if I should do like an event or like a ribbon cutting when construction starts or once it's complete. I don't know, but somehow I'm getting like the community involved a little bit.
Yeah, somehow, some way.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Just because of the impact it has and that it will have.
Right.
Yeah,
I agree.
a lot of graffiti art.
Yes, I've noticed there's no wall left untouched. No wall. So I got a question. Tell us what it was like going through the process of getting it all cleaned up, and what was that about, and what did that entail?
Well, I'll be honest, bro. This was my first time working with the city for a project. But shouts out to Leslie with South Central Planning and Maggie with City Planning, who were a big help. It's a long application process, but really, man, it helped me with everything. Just being able to do like my first public bid, a public bid letting construction companies, abatement companies bid on a project, looking for minority-owned companies. Caldwell Solutions with Lenora. She is a minority, it's a minority woman-owned business.
Okay.
So basically we have an abatement company. They come in, clean up the asbestos and lead, clean up. So majority of what they needed to be successful was I had to get a generator, had to get a water tank, had to get them some just little small things just so they could be successful. So it's usually a 20 to 30 day job. And while they're doing it, the abatement, Golf Services, we have Caldwell Solutions, who's the environmental specialist. They monitor the air quality. So they test the air quality while they're doing the cleaning just to make sure that each day it progresses, that it's getting better and healthier and getting all around cleaned up. Man, really, bro. I mean, they've been doing a good job just to get all this cleaned up. Man, it's bro.
And that's only 30 days?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. So
And then once they roll on the last day, they roll out and they say y'all are clear to start, or is it another process that has to take place, or like what's like, or you just go back to the city, you say, all right, they cleaned it, now what?
no, so now that they're clean, I have to go to begin construction. So I'm as of now, I'm thinking a 30 to maybe 60 day placement in between, just to be able to find a construction company just to work with and narrow that down. But 30 days is usually 90 days in construction.
Facts.
so you never really know. But really, man, narrowing that down, that construction partner for this project, to make sure the numbers work and the quality of work works. Just because like this is historic, like one main thing for us was being able to reframe or being able to keep these windows. That was one of the things from the historic community that we had to do.
Right.
So if we can't keep the same exact window frame, just being able to find a company that can implement and keep that same, that style in there, which adds up. That's a high number for this project. But yeah, man, I've been learning a lot, bro. Just from every angle.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to pick your brain a little more at some point, just
Definitely.
on like what you've been able to pick up throughout this whole process. Cause there's probably some things I could learn about.
Man. Definitely, bro. Yeah, really. I believe we also qualify for a grant from the city, to go towards the construction as well. I don't know if that's finalized yet, so I won't say that amount, but. Yeah, it just goes to show you, like, it's so many moving parts to a project like this to really make it successful, and just to be able to be a part of Kimmel Properties and buy back the block Baton Rouge,
Right.
To really assist and help bring these projects to life. Because not only am I learning, but I'm just really just being a part of it to bring it back to life. Because this is probably my favorite project for a long time.
It's gonna be hard to top this.
I know.
It's gonna be hard to top this.
I know.
But now you got a new bar.
I know.
You got a new bar.
Definitely, man. So yeah, man, this is my first commercial property project. Stick around if you have any questions, like any comments, leave it in the inbox. Man, if you need some high taste level photography, you have to get with my guy Deron. I'll put his info in the description. He has a great price for him. In the state of Louisiana. If you want to find him out, it's triple.
Hey, let's do it.
Really, what I feel played a huge part in the impact of this, not only this building, but the area, is really desegregation. Really just black families and the black community participating in things like Black Flight, moving to different neighborhoods and leaving the downtown corridor or their neighborhoods that they've built up, and the businesses that they created, and the schools, all those things circulate. The schools are accessible off the property taxable homes. Just certain things like that, leaving that kind of behind just to be a part of an American dream per se. Kinda, I wouldn't say messes up, because it's easy for me to say because I'm on the shoulders of my ancestors and the people to say these things, you know what I mean? But at that time, you wanted equality, you wanted to be a part of the American dream.
Yeah, you trying to be a part of they were trying to be a part of America as a whole, as opposed to that's just a black neighborhood over there.
Exactly, and to be seen as an American versus where you see, backgrounds such as a Jewish background or a Chinese background, where they kind of embrace that, a Chinese neighborhood, or keeping that money or that dollar in the community, and building it up versus, but it's just so hard to say, man, just because of that time and how our ancestors were being treated. You know what I mean? It's, but I thank them for everything that they've done. But we are here today just to go over the revitalization of this building. I mean, yeah, it just feels good, bro. Just to be a part of it. Yeah, man. Let's jump.